is Melissa. So for this video today, we're gonna see 3 unique hiking spots that you can do here in LA. So we're gonna start off with the longest hike and end with the shortest hike that you can do. So let's just get started and show you the Bridge to Nowhere, which is a 5-mile hike that took us at least 3 hours to get all the way to the bridge.
It's a long walk, but at least the walk is mostly flat. Make sure that you bring shoes that you don't mind getting wet because they will get wet as you'll have to cross the river over and over again. After 5 miles, you'll see the beautiful abandoned bridge where you can finally cool off and take a swim. This bridge is actually also a popular bungee jumping spot for those who love some adrenaline rush. Next is the Switzer Falls. The hike is fairly easy and it takes about an hour to get to the waterfalls. What I love about this is that you can actually slide down this waterfall and have a good time. And lastly is the Cave of Munits. For this one, you can get to the cave for as fast as 15 minutes, but there's barely any shade, so it can get quite hot in the end. The main way to climb up is actually very short, but be careful as it can be very steep. We didn't trust that we can handle it, so we tried to look for another way where some guy ended up helping us. Once you're inside, it is such a nice breeze, and you'll have this gorgeous view perfectly framed by the cave. Take it all in and enjoy this beautiful and relaxing atmosphere.
Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you guys will all have fun going to these hiking spots, and I'll be seeing you into the next video. Bye!